Getting started with Twitter. The Twitter world is just huge. You can find people that you may never have met just in your local sphere of influence. To get started, open an account at twitter.com, put a little bit of information about yourself in your profile, choose a really nice conservative picture, and put some kind of information that is electronic. I use linkedin.com. It could be a web-based resume you have. How do you get started tweeting? Well, you need to find people that you can comment on their postings. You can find people that are following other people. You can find people through doing a search. For instance, something like maybe PR. And the way to then follow somebody is to just click on the little head, and now their tweets will be incorporated into your newsfeed. You can follow and unfollow very easily and very simply, and nobody even bothers you about that. If there's a particular kind of thing that has seemed very helpful for you, you might want to save what they call a hashtag, which makes the tweets of people who are interested in a certain topic be in one area. And so that's another way to, it's kind of forms a community that way. So that could be another way to then find people and see if they're providing information that is specifically helpful to you, that also is helpful, that you think maybe your people might be interested in, who are following you in learning. So here's a quality systems engineer, finance intern. Interesting. I think this is interesting. Maybe my followers might be interested in seeing that information. If sharing information is important to build your relationship on any kind of network, you want to build a relationship, you want to give to get. So let's say, for instance, this is a very interesting thing, and I want to let Monster know that I found this interesting. Okay, so I just copied and pasted. Now you see this little number here in the top corner means that you need to have everything fit into 140 characters. Sometimes when you're adding your little comment on here, it might take a little bit of spaces, so you want to see if there's some way that you can maybe, if there's anything that you can make it a little bit shorter. And then go ahead and tweet that. It could be that MonsterWorks might be happy that you did that. So check your @careerjkm, people who reply to you and use your, mention your handle, and they may get back with you. And that's kind of cool. That's how you get the dialogue started between somebody that you're interested in following. A couple of other tools you can use. Tweeps.com. It's a very nice way to find people. And it searches through their profiles information to find out if and gives you suggestions, as well as Listorious.com is a very cool site. Now that we can make lists in Twitter, you can perhaps be in touch with people who have made some interesting lists, and that could also get you an idea if there's any particular kind of information that they could offer. So this is a very robust site that I find is very usable. And that's just a short and sweet how to get started in Twitter.